All right, what's up, everybody? So welcome back to Cost of Fitness. It's been a long time since I've been on here. It's been quite a minute, and I apologize for that, but everything's gotten a lot busier. Some of you guys don't really get to keep up with. What I did was I basically opened up another business. It's called Iron Crate. It's a fitness subscription box business. I'm still keeping up with Iron Strength and Conditioning, doing all the training there. I picked up working over with Max Effort Muscle, supplement company. So, and then in the summer I still coach. So schedule got really chaotic in the summertime, and I didn't really get to catch up with all the content like I wanted to and what I originally planned on doing. So what I wanted to do, unfortunately, with everything that's going on, I wish there was a better reason for me to get back involved with all this, but I felt like the time was kind of the best time to do this was right now. And that's why I'm getting back into this rhythm. I hope to put out a lot of content that'll really help you guys. And, because I know it's going to do a lot for me because I love helping and I love being able to create stuff like this. And obviously we're going to have a lot more free time in our hands. Like I said, I wish it was for the better. But let me go over kind of like what you can expect from the website, because I'm going to kind of reamp it a little bit and make it a little bit better. In my opinion, it's going to be a lot better. But let's go over it. So we're going to break it down. A lot of topics we're going to talk about are still going to be in the same type of topics. We're still going to be talking about fitness. We're still going to talk about health and wellness, just like the general stuff. We're going to do a little more talk on nutrition and supplementation, especially me working here at a supplement office. I know I've learned a lot more about it, and I can definitely give you guys a lot more recommendations. And then also with opening Iron Crate, I've talked to a lot of other supplement companies. So I've learned a lot more about how the businesses work and about how the supplements themselves work. With that being said, I want to kind of bounce down to the very bottom. With all that stuff, I'm going to probably do more reviews and interviews with people. Reviews might be over supplements. They might be over gyms. They might be over just a lot more different kind of content. So I thought it was kind of something new. I haven't really done a whole lot of reviews in the past on the website, so I thought it'd be kind of cool to have like a review page. So I'm really excited about that part. Interviews, I have quite a few people I've met over these last number of months. I'd love to interview them and kind of get their take on different things, and I'd love to share it with you guys. I think you guys will really like it. But let's bounce back up to here, which, one of the things I'm most excited about with opening this site, I wish I would have talked about it earlier on, is mental health. In my opinion, mental health is kind of where it all starts. I started going to counseling because a lot of stuff just got crazy with my schedule in the summertime. So I've started going to counseling. For any of you guys that don't know, I go through like really, really bad anxiety, bad panic attacks. For a while, I was going through like heart palpitations. And, mental health has always kind of affected me in a way. So I really wanted to talk about it on the website, and especially right now with everything going on with the coronavirus. So moving down to the other one that I haven't really touched on yet is kind of like lifestyle and hygiene. So again, that's stuff I feel like is really necessary to go over right now. Hygiene, talking as in, when I think about this, I think about complete health care, taking care of your teeth, taking care of your skin, taking care of, just everything. So I want to give as many tips and as many helpful types of content and just put all that content out there that I can. So, and plus I want to kind of re-amp it into the stuff I've been really getting into lately. So that's a lot of the new stuff you guys can really expect to see on costofitness.org. Move over just a little bit. Some more news I'm going to try to do is I'm going to have some other contributors on the website, hopefully some local people, maybe some people from out of state that I've been able to meet and stay in touch with. I have a lot of people talking about possibly being able to come on and do recipes for you guys. I think it'll be a really, really cool add-on for the website. Maybe going over recipes for my keto people, intermittent fasting, or just if you're just trying to look for something new to try. I think it would be kind of cool to maybe have a recipe page. Which brings me down to the second one. I'm going to start making new pages for the website and start kind of, updating all that stuff, take some of the ones down, put new ones up. With that, it also kind of leads me into this. I want to start putting more of my business pages on there so you guys can keep up with Iron Strength and Conditioning, which is my private gym. You guys can kind of see the equipment that's in there, and I can do a lot of reviews and all that stuff with that stuff. I'll put stuff about Iron Crate on there. I'll probably put stuff about Max Effort Muscle on there. Just to really kind of show you guys, all the different things I'm in. Iron Strength Conditioning, Iron Crate will still have their own thing. but I kind of want, like, Casa Fitness in a way pretty much owns everything, is the way I look at it. So I think that's about all the news I have for you guys. I'm going to really try to start hammering out content. I've actually been able to, this past weekend, I've taken the time and really started nailing out some videos. Started to edit them over the weekend, so I'm going to try to post more out, get you guys some at-home workouts. And like I said, I just want us to stay positive throughout this whole situation, because this is something we've really, pretty much all of us have really never went through. So what better time to get back into this and try to help you guys than right now. Like I said, I wish it was for a better reason, but I have faith that we're going to get through this. I know we will. I know we can. Let's conquer this together, and let's stay in shape while we're doing it.